Hey, so I know many of you, including myself, we use chicken feed for our chickens, right? Whether it's layer feed, scratch, whole grains. But how many of us really give our chickens whole foods, like lots of different options and variety? So what we're doing here today is we've taken all these apples. Some of these are older that have been in the pantry. Some are newer that I bought. I also got a discount on some of these pears because there was some mold growing on them. So I get, like right here, a little spot. They gave us like 50% off on a bag. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to give these to our chickens. These bananas, I've washed them off. I've washed off all the apples and the pears. And we're going to come down here. I'm going to show you. Take my knife. If you're worried about these little areas like this, you can cut them off. So you can cut them up, toss them out like this. You can throw them whole. The bananas, I like to cut up into smaller pieces like this. So I'll take the bananas and I'll just kind of cut them up just like so. And that way they don't fight over the entire thing.
Man, they look delicious anyway.
But one of the reasons why we like to give them these foods occasionally is because bananas, apples, all these different whole foods are going to have the vitamins, minerals. They're also going to have the live enzymes that a lot of dry feeds and conventional feeds don't have. It's just good to have a nice variety of options. And that's why we do this for them. Again, you can cut these apples in half, or you can throw them out whole. I'm going to cut them in half like this just to make it go a little further. You girls and boys, y'all don't want to wait. They're hungry now, I said. You can cut all this stuff up like we're doing inside before you come out. It's probably a better idea so that the chickens aren't in the way, but we're just doing it this way just because this was a super spontaneous video. Just wanted to encourage you guys that if you haven't already considered this, definitely give your chickens some good whole foods like this. And if you have them growing on your property, even better. Like blackberry season's coming up soon. We'll be throwing blackberries out here and things like that as well. We're going to go ahead and spread this out. We've got about 40 chickens out here, so we definitely got to make sure that we spread this out evenly across this, just so that everyone has a chance to get some good stuff.
They're loving this.
We had some mama hens hatch out some baby chicks recently, so thought we would take a moment to show you how well they're doing. A few people in my comment section have mentioned that they've had trouble getting their chickens to eat anything other than the conventional feed that they have to offer. One of the best ways you can motivate your chickens to try something new is to give it to them first thing in the morning before you give any of their feed. What about you? Have you tried giving your chickens some fruit, vegetables, or any other type of whole food that has all those vitamins and minerals in it? If so, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. As always, thank y'all for watching. God bless you in Jesus' name. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you'd like to see more content. Take care.